Hi, I'm Miss Farley, and I'm the Academic and Curricular Coordinator here at Center School. I'm also the Social Studies teacher, and I'm really excited to tell you about a project that the students have been working on. They've been exploring ancient Egypt and learning about some of the different achievements that the ancient society did, and one of them is mummification. They are going to be mummifying tomatoes, which is really exciting. They created a natron mixture.
So you have to decide and write on your procedure sheet how much salt you're putting in your mixture and how much baking soda. So look at it. You have to measure in milliliters.
They even named their tomatoes and gave them faces and personalities, some of them.
Usually they would say some type of prayer and think about a name for them. Remember, this is a person, but also think about respecting your tomato. We are now on step 3. Try and cut just the top horizontally. Maybe one partner hold it, another partner use a knife. We're going to make an incision in our tomato so that we can remove the internal organs. This is our canopic jar, so you get an open tomato. If you would like, this would be considered the brain or part of the internal organs of the tomato. Then we're gonna stuff our tomatoes with the natron. What do they put on top of the mummies? It helps protect them from the afterlife. A scarab beetle. So when you are done, after you clean up, you put your name and your partner's name on your scarab beetle, and you're gonna tape it to the top.
They're going to be observing them over the next few weeks and seeing what happens to tomatoes in comparison to what would happen to a tomato that is not mummified, and noting any changes in weight, in size, and color.
Okay, right, you look at the skin, right? And you're writing down, what do you notice about the skin?
Yeah, crinkly.
Really wrinkly, right? So it's more wrinkly than mine, right?
Yeah.
Why do you guys think you lost so much weight?
All the juice inside, it went dried up.
Ah, all of the liquid dried up. We're gonna continue with this experiment and see what happens next week.
Hopefully we learn a lot about ancient Egypt and science too.